Sex. That's why they need me out the way, what you expect. Got a lot of blood and it's cold. They keep trying to.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl AshleMichelle and welcome back to another Motivational Makeup Monday here on my channel. Alright y'all, so I know it's hard for us college students, young teenagers, and working adults to keep it flat on a budget, especially with everything that we have to take care of, you know, paying bills, reading books, and feeding these babies out here. So I definitely have found the perfect, yes I said it, the perfect glitter lip glosses to add to your beauty collection. And guess what y'all? They're only $2.99. $2.99. $2.99. I just had to repeat that so y'all, you know, understand the emphasis, like they're only $2.99. But before I jump into these lip glosses, I just want to spread some encouraging words with y'all. And this inspiration is coming to me from the scripture, Isaiah 4:10. And the scripture just simply says, "Fear thou not, for I am with thee." And y'all, when I say I have been trusting the process lately, I have been trusting the process lately. So I just want to encourage y'all today, you know, stay faithful and just lean on him, because, you know, he gonna lean back on you and come through. So thank you, Big G. And yeah, so let's just jump right on into these lip glosses. Alright, so the 3 lip glosses that I'm going to be showing you all today are coming from the company called Nickak, New York. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this style of lip gloss is their Diamond Glow lip glosses, and I'm just going to show y'all each one that I have. So the first one that I'm going to be showing, I'm just going to show y'all each lip gloss that I have. First I'm going in with Fair, and I like how it has the sponge applicator on the lip gloss, so it's very, very easy to apply. And y'all, do y'all see how pigmented that is? And that's just like 2 little swipes off the stick, off the wand. Like, do y'all see that? Alright, so this is what Angelic looks like. Angelic. Alright, y'all, this is what Fair looks like on my lips. That's this one right here. Like, do y'all see that glitter? Like, I'm glistening, y'all. Like, I'm matching right now. Like, I'm glistening. Like, yes, ma'am. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Next, I'm going to try on Angelic. And Angelic, I think, would have to be my favorite one out of all the 3. This is Angelic compared to Fair, and as y'all can see, that pink color is really popping. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply Angelic to my lips. All right, y'all, and last but not least, I'm gonna try on Elegant. And y'all, I just love how pigmented these colors are. Like, I did not expect for them to be this pigmented. So once again, these are all the swatches that I did of each color: Fair, Angelic, and Elegant. And like I said, y'all, these lip glosses were $2.99 a piece, and I will leave a link below if I can find one. But I did purchase these from my local beauty supply store. Again, the name of the product is called Diamond Glow Lip Gloss by Nickak, New York. And y'all see it. I'm shining, I'm glistening, you know. So definitely, if you are looking for an affordable glitter lip gloss, this is the lip gloss for you, boo. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you know. Alright, y'all, that is all for this week's Motivational Makeup Monday. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. Most importantly, trust the process, stay faithful, y'all, and go get y'all some $2.99 lip glosses so we can be popping together. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.